How do you organize chaos? Imagine you have 5,000 customers. Some buy coffee, some buy home appliances, and some rarely buy anything. How do you market to them? We can write 5,000 emails, right? We need to group them, but we don't know who's. Imagine each of these gray points represent each of your customers. In this gray maze, your best customer looks exactly like your one-time visitor. If you treat your VIPs like strangers, they will go away. If you pour your marketing budget into the wrong customer segment, that will be like you're pouring your resources into a sinkhole. This is where K-means clustering comes in. It's an unsupervised machine learning algorithm that automatically finds these groups. Think of K-means like planning a party. You drop 3 hosts into a room, everyone walks to the host nearest to them, then the host moves to a center of their group. Everyone shuffles again. You repeat this until no one needs to move. Boom, you now have clusters. You might be wondering what K refers to here. The K just stands for how many groups you want. Do you want to segment your customers into 3 groups based on their features? Then K equals to 3. Do you want 4 groups? Then K equals to 4. But how do you pick the right number? For this, we use the elbow method. We calculate inertia, or the sum of squared distances between each data point from their respective centroids. We basically measure how lonely the data points feel. We want them cozy and close to the center. We look for the bend in the line. That's the mathematical sweet spot. Theory is great, but let's apply this on a real-world dataset. For this, I took the online retail dataset from the UCI machine learning repository. It has 500,000 real transaction records from a UK-based retailer. The dataset has different features like invoice nong, stock code, description, quantity, and so on, and based on this, I did a RFM analysis on the customers. Here, R stands for recency, or the days since last purchase, F stands for frequency, or orders per period, and M stands for monetary value, in other words, total spent. The detailed steps in my analysis can be found in my GitHub link provided in the description. We shall move straight to the result. The elbow method along in the silhouette score analysis showed that K equals to 3 would be a good fit for clustering this dataset. These are our clustered data points. The green group are our high-value loyalists. They spend the most money and visit frequently. The blue group are active but spend small amounts. They are potential loyalists. They just need a nudge to buy more. The orange group is floating high up on the recency axis. That means they haven't visited in months. They are at risk, and if we don't act now, they will be gone. Here is the bird's eye view. We also separated out the outliers in the dataset and categorized them based on their traits. This will help us to decide on different marketing approaches to attract different groups of customers. By using K-means, we moved from undifferentiated chaos to a precision marketing engine. We stopped subsidizing window shoppers and started maximizing ROI. Thanks for watching.